Food hygiene tips during coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak. While at present there is no evidence of food or food packaging being associated with the transmission of coronavirus disease COVID-19, it may be possible that people can become infected by touching a surface or object contaminated by the virus and then touching their face. The higher risk, though, comes from being in close contact with other people while food shopping or receiving a food delivery. As always, good hygiene is important when handling food to prevent any food-borne illnesses. Remove any unnecessary packaging and dispose into a waste bin with a lid. Packaging like cans can be wiped clean with a disinfectant before being opened or stored. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand rub immediately afterwards. Wash unpackaged produce, such as fruit and vegetables, thoroughly under running water. General food hygiene tips: wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before preparing any food. Use a separate chopping boards to prepare uncooked meat and fish. Cook food to the recommended temperature. Where possible, keep perishable items refrigerated or frozen, and pay attention to product expiry dates. Aim to recycle or dispose of food waste and packaging in an appropriate and sanitary manner, avoiding buildup of refuse which could attract pests. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before eating and make sure your children do the same. Always use clean utensils and plates. Thank you and subscribe us.